To all, nowadays let us see fifth unit, electromagnetic waves. What are electromagnetic waves? Electromagnetic waves are non-mechanical waves which move speed of light in vacuum. Heinrich Hertz experimentally verified Maxwell's predictions, and hence this understanding resulted in new technological invention, especially in wireless communications. Laser means light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation technology. Radar, etc. Radar means radio detection and ranking. Importance of electromagnetic waves. In today's digital world, cell phones have greater influence in our day-to-day life. It is a faster and more effective mode of transferring information from one place to another. It works on the basis of that light is an electromagnetic wave. In hospitals, the locations of bone fractures can be detected using X-rays, which is also an electromagnetic wave. For cooking, microwave oven is used. The microwave is also an electromagnetic wave. There are plenty of applications of electromagnetic waves in engineering, medical, etc. and also in fundamental scientific research. Electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic waves are non-mechanical waves which moves with speed equals to the speed of light in vacuum. It is a transverse wave. Spectra. Spectra is divided into two types. One is emission spectra and another one absorption spectra. Emission spectra is split into three types. First one, continuous emission spectrum, line emission spectrum, band emission spectrum. And another one is absorption spectrum is split into three types. One, continuous absorption spectrum, line absorption spectrum, band absorption spectrum. Let us see emission spectra. Continuous emission spectrum. If the light from incandescent lamp is allowed to pass through prism, it splits into 7 colors. Thus, it consists of wavelengths containing all the visible colors ranging from violet to red. Examples: spectrum obtained from carbon arc, incandescent solids, liquids gives continuous spectra. Line emission spectrum. Suppose light from hot gas is allowed to pass through prism. Line spectrum is absorbed. Line spectra are also known as discontinuous spectra. The line spectra are sharp lines of definite wavelengths or frequencies. Such spectra arise due to excited atoms of elements. These lines are the characteristics of the element, which means it is different for different elements. Examples: spectra of atomic hydrogen, helium, etc. Band emission spectrum consists of several number of very closely spaced spherical lines which overlapped together forming specific bands which are separated by dark space known as band spectra. The spectrum has a sharp edge at one end and fades out at the other end. Such spectra arise when the molecules are excited. Band spectrum is the characteristics of the molecule, hence the structure of the molecules can be studied using their band spectra. Examples: spectra, hydrogen gas, ammonia gas in the discharge tube, etc. Types of absorption spectrum. Absorption spectra. When light is allowed to pass through an absorbing substance, when the spectrum obtained is known as absorption spectra. The spectrum are the characteristics of absorbing substance. Types: continuous absorption spectra, line absorption spectrum, band absorption spectrum. Continuous absorption spectrum. When light is passed through a medium, then if it is dispersed by a prism, we get continuous absorption spectrum. Example: when white light passes through a blue gas plate, it absorbs everything except blue. Line absorption spectrum. When white light from the incandescent lamp is passed through cold gas, the spectrum obtained through the dispersion due to prism is line absorption spectrum. Example: when light from carbon arc made to pass through sodium vapor lamp, a continuous spectrum of carbon arc with two dark lines in the yellow origin is obtained. Band absorption spectrum. When white light is passed through iodine vapor or dilute solution of blood or chlorophyll or through certain solutions of organic and inorganic compounds, dark bands as continuous bright background is obtained. If the receiver is rotated by 90 degree, then no spark is observed by the receiver. This confirms that electromagnetic waves are transverse waves as predicted by Maxwell. Hertz detected radio waves and also computed the speed of radio waves, which is equal to the speed of light. Properties of electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic waves are produced by any accelerated charges, do not require any medium for propagation. They are non-mechanical wave. Electric field vector, magnetic field vector and direction of propagation of electromagnetic waves are mutually perpendicular to each other. Hence, they are transverse in nature. They travel in free phase or vacuum with a velocity c is equal to 1 by root of epsilon 0 mu 0 is equal to 3 into 10 power 8 meters second power minus 1. Electromagnetic waves are not deflected by electric field or magnetic field. They can undergo interference, diffraction and polarization. The energy density of electromagnetic wave is U is equal to epsilon 0 E squared is equal to 1 by mu 0 into B squared. The average energy density of electromagnetic wave U is equal to 1 by 2 epsilon 0 E squared is equal to 1 by 2 1 by mu 0 into B squared. They carry energy and linear momentum which is equal to P is equal to energy by speed is equal to U by C. If electromagnetic waves of energy U is completely absorbed by a surface, the momentum imparted on the surface is B is equal to U by C. If electromagnetic waves of energy U is completely reflected by the surface, momentum delivered to the surface is delta P is equal to 2U by C.